9. Means of communication. Hi children. Devices used to talk or to send messages from one end to other or from one person to other are called means of communication. Means of communication are the necessary part of a present life. The means of communication help us to send our messages and ideas from one place to another. In the modern world, the means of communication have become very important. In olden days, it was very difficult to send our messages and receive messages from far off places. They used pigeons for sending letters. This was the slow and unreliable means of communication. Horsemen were also used for sending royal messages. New communication technologies such as satellites, cable television, wireless telephones, the internet, and computers have brought about noticeable changes in the society. Such developments in the communication have significantly aided individuals collect, process, and exchange information. In this lesson, you will learn about the different means of communication.
9. Means of communication. We send or receive messages in many means, and these means are called means of communication. In olden days, people used to send messages with pigeons. This needs a lot of time. As science developed, the easy methods to convey messages have been invented. Some of the important ways of communication are A. Post, B. Telephone, C. Mobile phone, cell phone, D. Newspaper, E. Radio, F. TV, G. Teleprinter, H. Fax, I. Email, J. Telex. These can be broadly classified into three groups. They are A. Postal communication, B. Telecommunication, and C. Electronic communication. A. Postal communication. We use a postcard or an inland letter or an envelope to write our message. Our message can be written on paper and folded. This folded paper could be kept in an envelope. We should write the complete and correct address with PIN code. This is very essential to post a letter. A PIN code is used to help in the sorting of letters quickly. There are private services called couriers for quick delivery.
Telephone. Through a telephone, we can talk to the other person by just dialing his or her number. Telephone is another mode of fast communication.
Mobile phone, cell phone. It is basically an electronic device with a long range applied for mobile data or voice communication. Other than the normal voice function of a mobile phone, contemporary mobile phones are able to support a number of mobile phone accessories and extra GSM. Voice calls, text messages, call registers, contacts, MP3 playback, alarms, radio, camera with video recorder, etc. are the important features of a mobile phone. Fax. Through a fax machine, lengthy messages are sent within few hours. Teleprinters, telex. These machines are used in press to communicate news from various places to their headquarters to get them published overnight. Newspaper brings more information to the readers. Email. Email is electronic mailing in which the telephone is connected to the computer and the messages flash on the computer screen.
C. Electronic communication. Television, radio, newspaper, and cinema are all called mass media. Fax, email, telex, teleprint, and internet come under electronic communication. Mass media conveys the information in various ways to the public at large.
So they are called mass communication. Nowadays, satellites are sent to telecast the correct information. These modern communications play a vital role in the present day world. Let's revise the important points. 1. The means of sending and receiving messages is called means of communication. 2. In olden days, people used pigeons to send their messages. 3. Communication is of three types. A. Postal, B. Tele, and C. Electronic. 4. Mass media conveys information in various ways to the people at large. This is called mass communication.